Hey guys, Glimmer Online. How are you? Hope you're having a great day. Today's training is how to make $250 a week. That doesn't sound like crazy. It's not like $1,000 a day or something. But this is really for beginners, and this is gonna get you started on just straight affiliate marketing and how to make realistically $250 a week. And you can do this, and you can do it for free. I'll show you exactly how to do it for free. There's a couple of tools that you need, but I can show you how to get them free. I can also show you how to do a premium version of them, which is going to make you a lot more money, and you're going to have a lot more control over your environment. So if you like videos on how to make money online, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and we're going to get into it. Now you're probably wondering, like, well, what do I have to do? Well, here's this is the first thing you got to wrap your head around. What is it exactly? What is affiliate marketing, or what are you selling, right? Well, generally, the best thing to sell online is software as a service, which means someone needs hosting, like a business needs hosting, or a Shopify needs hosting, or a theme, or what else? Like affiliate marketers need WordPress sites, or businesses need sales funnels, or they need to buy domains. All those things have, a lot of them have affiliate programs, and what it means is that you basically say, I recommend this, right? And if someone takes your recommendation and goes and buys that service, right, then you get paid a commission. And usually they're ongoing. Some of them are one-time commissions, but a lot of them, if you find the right ones to promote, you can make really good residual income, especially if it's something that someone's going to need for long term. Someone's setting up a business, they're going to get a domain, they're going to get hosting, and you want to get something that's paying you consistently for the hosting, or whatever it is. Maybe it's an autoresponder. Maybe an autoresponder is just a mail program where they can keep all their contacts, and it sends out emails automatically to them. Not spam emails, like written emails, so that it sends out. You have to create the emails. It doesn't create it for you. So that's what affiliate marketing is. Now, the easiest ones to sell online is you find a target market that needs a certain service. So, for example, people that want to make money by being an Amazon affiliate. Well, they need a blog, because that's where they basically are going to talk about the products that they're recommending, right? So what would I do, and what I have done is basically you create a blog, and you say, best WordPress themes for an Amazon affiliate, right? And you're like, well, why would someone want to see that? Or how would someone find my website? Well, you write an article, you SEO it, and then you share that article out onto different domains that are going to help you get more power. So I'll show you what I mean. I'll show you some of the sites where you can get a free domain, where you can start building, and two of the affiliate programs that I highly recommend. So first, let me get onto my screen here. The first thing you're going to need is a WordPress site if you're going to do it free. So the very first thing you're going to need, because some of the programs, when you apply to be an affiliate, they might want to ask you what your domain is, right? So you do want to have a domain. It's really important, and that's why I recommend sometimes they want to see an authority domain, not an authority, but a professional domain, not just a free WordPress domain, because people can make them and use them as scams. But if you want to just start for free, you got no money, so go where you want to go is you want to go to wordpress.com/pricing, and right here, whatever country you are in the world, you're going to get a page similar to this, and you're going to go start with free, and basically click that button, walk through. If you don't have a WordPress.org account, which you might not have, you just set it up, and you can set it up through Gmail. And if you have, like, I recommend, if you don't have a Gmail account, get a Gmail account. It's going to probably be your main business account. That being said, some affiliate programs want to see you use an email of a domain, and I'll get to that. And at the end, I'll show you something that will make your life a lot easier. So make sure you stick around to the end. So you start here, get a free domain. I'm not going to get into building a WordPress site. You can go into my channel. I have tons of videos on how to build a WordPress site. Just go Google it. It will show you step by step by step. I'm going to let you do that yourself, because you need to go through the process, and you can make multiple free websites, guys. You can make, you can do this. Just get another Gmail account, get another WordPress, and you can do it multiple times. Okay, so you set up a free blog. Just set up a basic blog and create your first post, whatever it is. Hey, this is going to be my blog about reviewing different products for online marketers to use, or whatever you're going into. Maybe you are going to be an Amazon affiliate. So this is like just say, hey, this is my blog about all the stuff that I love on Amazon, and I'm going to write reviews about it, and whatever it is. So do that. Next, what I recommend starting out with, and this is really good passive income, is go to elegant themes, right? So you want to go here. I'm clicking on someone's ad. Sorry, whoever ad that was. You just got charged to click. So you want to go down, and at the bottom of these pages, usually on anything, if you find something you like and you want to promote it, go to the bottom, and you're going to find usually a menu like this, and see right here, resources, affiliates. You want to join as an affiliate, right? Become an affiliate. This one's super easy. You just join their affiliate program. And then how it works is that you will get a link, and it's really simple. And you just get a link for whatever theme you want to promote. You're able to get a link. Same with the other one you're going to want to join is Invato Market. And when you become an affiliate there, you will have a they now use Impact, which is their affiliate. That's how they run their affiliate program. So basically, you pick any link on their site, and you put it into your affiliate account, and it creates a link for you. So let's say you want to promote let's see, products. So I want to go to market. You want to show a theme for a blog, right? So let's go WordPress blogs, right? And basically, you just basically pick one of these themes. Like let's say you go through them, read through them, right? Pixwell, dig a log, do some research, find out who's using what themes, and maybe go find another top 10 themes for Amazon affiliates or whatever. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to make a blog saying, hey, here's the top 5 or the top 7 blogs that I found that for Amazon affiliates, right? And then what you would do is you would then make a link for each one of these, like say if you go here, the issue, right? So up here at the top, that's awesome. See, they like me. So up here at the top, you would take this link and you would just put it into the affiliate program's back office, and it would create a link for you. And then you could say, I recommend the issue. It's you can go in and you can read about it. This is a best-selling, best-rated magazine, WordPress. Or maybe this one is for magazines. So if someone was wanting to do an online magazine, then you would say so. There you go, 5 top online magazine themes, right? So then you would just go in here and you would pick 5 themes that are for magazines, and you would put them into your blog, and you would put your links back to them. And guys, you just keep doing this over and over and over again. And you then, where do you go next? Well, you can go to a website called Quora, and you can actually, right? Let's go to Quora here. Let's see who's asking for best magazine themes. What are the best WordPress themes and plugins for creating content-heavy magazine style blog? There you go. So now, guys, go look at some of these answers and don't just copy and paste them. But for example, you want to write a good article in here so that they will take to either publish you and keep your comment there, or people will be able to click on your link where you will have your link to your blog, right? So I'm using GeneratePress as a theme for my sites. For plugins, I'd focus on anything to help keep your content organized. So that's one answer. This one is from Iris. One of the best productivity tools for entrepreneurs is Monday.com. So she's put a affiliate link in there, I think. Um, WordPress is my main web development. So people are answering this. So best WordPress magazines themes. So guys, this is what people are doing. And you think, well, someone's already done that. Someone has already done that. Why? Because it works. Go to where people are doing stuff. Don't try to recreate the internet. Go to where people are looking and finding you know, these questions. This one has it doesn't say how many. There's 8 people following it. So you could do this for so many things, guys. You can go find so many things to sell. But what I like about both Envada and Elegant is that you can write it, especially if you're doing. And I got this from this training from Franklin Hatchett, who's amazing. He, you know, why people a really good one is to talk about Shopify or e-commerce themes, because people are putting money into their stores in order to make them work. So they don't mind spending some money on the theme that they think is going to make them more money or make them make more money faster. So that's what you want to do. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, like you don't want to, you know, like Glenn, I don't want to just go with a free WordPress. I want to set this up and get it going, because reality is you're going to start on a free WordPress site, and I recommend you can dabble there, but you're going to want to actually go onto a page, your own platform, because you're going to want to be able to set up multiple sites and like subdomains and different niches. And you know, you might have a travel niche, and you don't want it all on one blog, right? You want to be able to set up separate blogs, and that's why you want to get your own hosting as opposed to doing it all free, because you are going to get the free domain name. You don't get complete control of your name. Now, I recommend using A2 hosting. This is where I go. Shared hosting is very inexpensive. If you go here, it's pennies a day, guys. Pennies a day. Like Swift is $6.45 a month. Like, you can't get. It's so inexpensive. It's amazing. And with this, you can have unlimited websites, free automatic backups. Everything is SSL. This is super fast. This is one of the fastest companies out there. I'll put a link in the description, but I recommend, if you are serious about making money online, the first thing is get a domain going. Like, that's really what you do. But if you don't have any money, then start with free and start get your affiliate links going. Now, that being said, if you're like, oh, that sounds like a lot of work, Glenn, and I go, and actually it is a lot of work, and at some point you will actually you will start doing it, because that's how affiliate marketers do it. So you can either start now, or you can go, oh, I just want to start making money quickly. Well, you can go, I have a done for you funnel, and it's a free funnel. I'll put it in the link below. It's a completely 100% free funnel, and you can just go promote that. You're going to make a lot more money up front, but it won't be, well, it will be, it is long-term money, but you will end up doing this other stuff as well, because this is how you can attract people onto your list to be able to sell them without getting other traffic. So for example, you have your blog about this you know, let's say you did 5 best magazine blogs, right? Or themes for 5 best magazine themes for blogs, right? And so you could put up a pop-up and collect someone's email saying like if someone's got a magazine online, they're probably thinking about a way to monetize that. They're doing it to monetize it. So you could then say, hey, you could click up a pop-up or have a opt-in form. It's like, find click here to get my free PDF on the 3 best sources of income online. People are like, well, that's interesting. So click, they give you their email. Now they're on your email list, and you can start marketing them. And that's why you really want to have a hosting, and that's why you want to have your own hosting, and that's why you want to start creating content, because you want to draw people that way. Because if you just have if you just have funnels, you have to drive traffic to it, and you're probably going to either go in and start spamming on Facebook and all that stuff. Don't spam. You don't want to spam. You want to start adding content. So I know it sounds confusing. Anyways, I have a free funnel for you. There's a place to get traffic there. The traffic does, there's some free methods of traffic, there is some paid methods of traffic, but at the end of the line, guys, start building your basically your internet presence, because you're going to need it. Do the free funnel for some quick cash, because if you get out there and you really promote that hard, it's really great money. And it's nice residual income where you have that going, and then you can start actually working on this content stuff. But I mean, it's kind of like you got to be doing both. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Let me jump back out here. Sorry, I kind of got off on a little bit of a tangent there, but I can't drive it home enough. It's like, you got to create content. You need to create content, more and more content. Now, your content can be YouTube. If you just want to go out and do, like, you could do, hey, my 5 best magazine sites, and just read them. Go through and read, like, hey, this one is this theme, and I'm going to put a link below in the description. This theme does XYZ. I'm going to put a link in the description. You could do it on YouTube. You could do it in a blog, right? Those are the 2 main places. And then take those videos and the blog post, or however you're going to do it, that's what you share on social media. That is what you share on social media. You don't share like, hey, go buy this theme. That's just spamming, guys. But I know, you know what, like Franklin says, a ton of you are just going to go spam anyways, and then say, oh, that online marketing stuff doesn't work. Because you're not marketing, you're just spamming. So start marketing, start creating value for people, create content that teaches something. Like, oh, I'm giving you this content, I'm showing you, like, go get a WordPress site, go get these affiliate links, go create a blog that it shares information about why people should buy, and provide your link to buy with. Or create this funnel, show people how to build a sales funnel, get paid residual income on a sales funnel software, an autoresponder software, some ClickBank products, some other training. Like, that's basically, that's what it is in a nutshell. So happy on your journey. I don't know where you are in your journey of making money online. Maybe you're probably like a lot of people in the first couple of years. They're really frustrated. They're trying so many things. Nothing seems to stick. Guys, stop doing that and breathe and focus on your blog. Create a blog. Focus on creating content. You know, Gary Vee says all the time, content, make content. Everyone says it. Make content. Keep making content. Guys, I'm at we have a pay per call campaign going right now. I'm at 67 videos I've now made for it in the last, I don't know, 6 days, I think. We're running Bing ads. We're doing a ton of YouTube videos for it, and we're doing organic optimization on our web pages. We've actually gone out and we bought a couple of domains that are going to point back to our pay-per-call thing. So this is all going to go into a case study, so you guys will see it all and how we struggle. And some days we're like, why didn't we get a call? And then all of a sudden, like, there's a call, and then where's the calls? So we're still working all that stuff out. But guys, 67 videos so far, and I've got hundreds more to go. Because I want our video to show up in every market, and we've got, you know, our pay-per-call is across North America, so there's gonna be a lot of videos I'm gonna be making, and I'm trying to slam out 10 or 15 a day if I can get to it. So it's gonna take, you know, a few months, and we're gonna have a ton of videos out there. Anyways, I know this went a little bit long, guys. If you're starting your journey, hit one. If you're just starting your journey, if you get value out of this, please subscribe. Message me if you have any questions, and if you want to know my number one recommendation on making money on sales, below there. But yeah, just check out everything, and I'll talk to you later. Cheers, bye.